And here, my face is properly cleansed. Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Cheryl here. I'm currently on a trip with our family, and I'm right now in the bathroom of a hotel room. Since the space is like well lit, I thought this is perfect timing to just kind of demonstrate like how I take care of my skin at night and all the products I use, especially like during winter time. You know, I adjust products and treatments and the cleanser and all that. So yeah, I'd love to show you everything that I use and how I take care of my skin. I'm gonna tie my hair up, so my hair will be out of my face. I'm just gonna remove my earrings as usual. And my necklace. I'm gonna take 3 cotton rounds eye makeup remover, and I'm almost out of this one. It's by MAC. I'm loving this makeup remover. But first thing first, I have to wash my hands. I'm gonna wash my hands. I want to make sure my hands are clean before touching my face. I consider this as like an important step. You want your hands to be clean, you know, before you don't want to wipe blood germs on your face. Remove the lips. The lip color. I want to remove the eye makeup. Same. Oh man, I'm really low on this. Hopefully. I have eyeshadow and a little bit of mascara on there. Let's hope I have enough light remover for the other eye. 10-15 seconds to melt all the eye makeup off. We'll use a cleansing oil. They will eventually melt off completely, even though I just actually wipe my brows. Whatever. I've been using this for, I don't know if you can see, I finished almost half of it. This is by One Love Organics. It's their botanical enzyme cleansing oil. I love this product. It's on the pricier end. I forgot how much it is, but it's totally worth it because it has all the good ingredients, clean ingredients, organic ingredients, vitamin B, pineapple enzymes, or just enzymes. So it's really good for the skin, or it doesn't have like harsh ingredients or chemicals. Anyways, so basically I have to make sure my hands are dry, and I'll give it like, depending on how heavy my makeup looks, and kind of just warm it up in my hands. And make sure, you know, don't put the oil on your face before you warm the oil up. And I'm just gonna rub it all on the face. Kind of melt all the foundation makeup away. I mean, I usually use cleansing oil, but in the winter time I find cleansing oil actually better for my skin, even though I have combination skin. In the winter time my skin is though towards the drier side. Prefer cleansing oil, or I really love this product, that's why. Gently remove your lashes. Once everything is melted, I love giving my face this kind of hold just to make sure all the makeup is coming off. So you wet your hands, kind of just emulsify this oil before you splash your face. Dissolve all the oil on your face before you remove everything with water. Feel all the makeup is actually coming off your face. So now I'm gonna rinse. First Aid Beauty, is it? It's by, yeah, it's Fab View. Wait, it's by Fab First Aid Beauty. Fab. I'm just gonna put a little bit. You can tell like the color is, it's like a gel cleanser. Deep cleanse your skin. Right now, this is double cleanse. Normally, if I have the cleansing tool with me, I will use the cleansing tool. This trip I didn't bring with me, so I'm just gonna use my hand. I don't know, I like when my skin is super like thoroughly cleansed. Like I can truly feel like I'm taking off my day, you know. So I think a lot of people tend to forget about the chin area. And now I'm gonna rinse this off. Dry it off with tissue. Hop in the shower. And then do my skincare routine after a shower. I'll take my contacts out. First thing I will use is this one. By The Ordinary. It's their niacinamide 10% zinc 1%. Because I've been breaking out a little bit, so I use this to kind of like declog. Niacinamide is a really good ingredient that helps any of the pimples or clogged pores. This serum by Trader Joe's. Layering the hyaluronic serum is basically good for all skin type. So I definitely recommend, you know, looking into a good hyaluronic serum. And this one's good. I'm just gonna go to bed. Actually, I'm gonna dry my hair. How are you?